Hello everyone and happy Australia Day. Today I am participating in the Australia Day Cybercrop hosted by Kitaholic Kits. You can find Kitaholic Kits over on Facebook and join in on all the fun. They create lovely kits each month for you to purchase. Today I have created a card using difficult paper. So I went into my deepest, darkest stash and came up with these papers from Fancy Pants. I'll show you what they are. I have cut, so this is the bottom, it's theirs. So this is the paper range that I've cut. I've got a full, this is the full, sorry, I've got it on my iPad, it's going to shine. This is the paper piece that I've used. And I also used another piece of from Fancy Pants. This was the back, the green was the back, and it had all pieces across the middle. Okay, so I will show you my card now, show you what I have done. So here's my card. My card measures 6 inches by 6 inches, and this piece here is the piece that I've cut out of the middle, out of here. So I fussy cut all around there and all around the bottom. This is the bottom piece, just like that. And then I cut the green piece, which was the back of this one, the back of the stripe. I cut him at 5 7/8 by 5 7/8 and just went around with some walnut stain around the edge and taped that down flat. This is the piece that I cut out here. I've left the back plain. So what I did was I just sort of creased it, found the middle, creased it in the middle. I glued it to the back and it went over a little bit on the side, so I've just cut that off, trimmed it off so it's flat. And on the front, before I glued it down, I got some white doilies like this, and I have just cut around it like that, cut it out, cut a circle out of the middle, and then I've just put little nicks in here and there, just so when you got to go around a bend, it's easier to put. So then I've just sort of put it under there and pinched it and pleated it so it all sort of fitted in around like that. So that's what I've done, that both sides. I've used 2 doilies for that, and I glued them to the back of this before I taped it all down. I also went around with some more walnut stain. Everything's got walnut stain around it. So then I glued that down flat. I found some flowers that I put in the middle, and this piece come off this piece here. It was a swirly bit, and I've just cut it out, inked around it, and gone around at the edge with a black pen, just a black gel pen, and sort of glued all that down as well flat. And then I've just added some, I found some Kindy Glitz in my stash, so I'm using some pretty old stuff here, and just going around just to give it a bit of a bling. And that's my card. So, and on the back it's flat. I haven't put anything in the middle as yet. It's plain. So that is my share for you for difficult paper, and it's, as I said, it's been in my stash since 2008. Sorry for the glare. And I'd like to thank you everyone for watching. Look forward to the next video at 8 AM. Stay safe everyone. Until next time, bye for now. Bye.